Make a great choice today with the 2015 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.